Alien FM is myself, Anthony Black Tony Horton,
Keith Tucker, aka DJ K1. The original concept of Alien FM was created off of a track name, Alien FM, that was created by Black Tony and Keith Tucker. Alien FM is what radio would be like in a different dimension, a different time, or what electronic music would sound like on the Alien FM radio station. On the Alien FM project, there will be 3 to 4 tracks. The EP is entitled Large Mechanics, and the second track is called It's All About the Bang. Alien FM was always known to give you one electro track or a few electro tracks and some pure Detroit techno with a 4/4 beat and melodic Detroit, beautiful, stringy type sounds. Definitely tracks that you can play on the dance floor. We've already set up a follow-up for Alien FM. We're going to keep the same formula going. Still have an electro edge, but also a techno and concept-driven tracks. Myself, Keith Tucker, and Anthony Black Tony Horton.
You're listening to the sound of Alien FM. You're listening to the sound of Alien FM. You're listening to the sound of Alien FM. You're listening to the sound of Alien FM.